Hi, and welcome to our Canvas how-to series. This video is going to show you how to create and save a Word document, how to convert a Google Doc into Word, and how to upload the document to Canvas. There are different ways, different versions of Windows. So for this video, this is Windows 10 and this is a laptop, and that's how I will do it. But have in mind, you can have a Chromebook, you can have a desktop, you can have an older version, and it can be a little bit different, okay? But for this version, you're gonna come here. I don't have it here in my work area, so I'm gonna type here Word. When I start typing, I have here Word. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click once, and then here you have the option for a blank document. You can also open a new document by clicking here. You also have templates too. Okay, so for example, here it is a resume, this is a calendar, but let's start with a simple document. So I'm gonna click here, open the document. So this is the document. I'm gonna add a title here. So it could be here um, a day in the park. Let's suppose this is the title of my essay, my document, okay? So if you look here, you see document 1 and Word. So your document is not saved. It's important to name your document so you don't lose it. So you don't lose your work and you can find it. So for example, here is that where you're going to save, but we're going to go to a different area so you can save it in a specific folder. You click here, File, and then let's choose Save As, because then you can choose where your document goes to. You can browse, which is look for a folder, or you can also this PC, which is this personal computer. So it's going to be just in your PC, or you can go here to look for several folders, or you can come here. Let's do the simple one, this PC. And I want this document to be here in Documents. So I come here and I open. So this is the title of my document, A Day in the Park, and it is in my PC. And if you click here, also gives you where your document can be found. And it's a Word doc. So you click here, Save. Then it goes back to the document. So it changed it here, A Day in the Park, and it is saved. And here it is, you saw here, this icon changed it a little bit. As you work in it, it auto saves, but it is also a good idea to keep saving so you don't lose your document in case something happens suddenly. So you come here, last Sunday, and then you continue writing your document. See, if you see here, it is saving. Okay, so but I will also click here just in case. So let's suppose that I complete and then I finished this document. Okay, so it is saved. So you come here and you just close the document. How are you going to find that document again? So you click here, type here to search, and that document should be in the File Explorer or a yellow folder like this, My Document. It's going to vary from computer to computer. Mine is here, so you click, it is usually a yellow folder. So you come here and then Documents, and then I come here, A Day in the Park. So that's my document, okay? So if you click once, it highlights it. If you click twice, it opens the document. So that's how you create a document and save it in Word Office, okay? So now let's suppose you have a Google, a Chromebook. So it's going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to open a new tab here, and I have Google Chrome installed here. Okay, so this is Google Chrome. If you have the Google Chrome installed, you're gonna have some options here. In this case, in this laptop, I have here, and that's where my apps are. For Google Chrome, you may have the app, the Google Doc here already. What is a Google Doc? So you have Word document. Google Doc is the same thing, but that's the version for Google. So that's Google Chrome. So you come here and you go to your drive, and I believe you're gonna have the Google Doc already there. So I'm just gonna open here a Google Doc. So this is a new document, and you're gonna come here and you're gonna say, write the name of your document, for example. So a day um, in the park. So a day in the park. So that's the same thing. Okay. If you click here, so if you have it here and you click here, this is already the title of the document. Okay. Or you can come here and type. So let's suppose you come here again. So last Sunday, and then you continue your essay. And then the same thing, everything happens here in files. So you come to files and then download, and then you go down the list, and Microsoft Word. That's this first one here. And then it downloads to your computer. You can come here and open. This is going to be most probably, this is going to be in your um, downloads folder. So you come here, okay, and that's the document. And then you save the same way that we talked before. Okay, so if I go here, that's different, a little bit different. So if I go here, I'm gonna open my Explorer again, and then I go to downloads. So that's where my document is going to be, because you just downloaded your document. Okay, now your last step is to upload this document to Canvas. Okay, so you come here. So this is your class. Okay, this is the home page, modules. So your assignments are going to be here. So you click on modules. So these are your modules. You can collapse all and expand all. So I'm going to collapse all, and I'm going to choose this week here where my assignments are. You have two different kinds of assignments. You have an assignment, which is this little notebook with a pencil, and then you have a quiz. Okay, so let's show here how you do it in an assignment. So you click here. Okay, so here is the assignment, and I scroll down, and here you have the options. So you have to upload that document. So you click here, and then you have to find the document. So choose a file, and then you're going to go back to the documents, remember? And then you come here, that's the document, a day in the park. So you click open, and then see, you have this prompt. It's dark blue now, your document is here, and then you can upload. If you uploaded the incorrect document, you just come here, and then you throw it in the trash, and you start again. So you click here and submit. So your document is uploading, so wait to see if your document is there. And there you go. So it takes a little bit to upload, but if you see here, so here you have your document. You can scroll up or scroll down. So scrolling up here. So then you have here your document. So that's how you do um, um, in assignments. Now I'm going to show you how to do in a quiz, which is a little bit different. Okay, so this little rocket here is a quiz. So you click on your quiz, read the information and instructions, scroll down and click take the quiz. And then you're gonna have to upload somewhere. So let's see here, okay? So you're gonna upload here. What are you gonna do? You click insert, and then you're going to upload a document, okay? So that come here, upload the document, upload a file. So you click upload a file and your file is going to be again documents. So click in documents and then you have here a day in the park and then you click open, okay, and then submit. Again, wait a little bit. This is quicker. So here is your document. Everything is okay. And then you click submit. All right. That's how you create a document, a Word document, save it, and upload to Canvas assignment or quiz. Thank you for watching.